Welcome to the world of Kashmiri Chai, a traditional Pakistani beverage celebrated for its unique pink hue and rich flavor. This video will guide viewers through a step-by-step recipe and highlight its numerous benefits. To begin, gather the following ingredients: Kashmiri tea leaves, baking soda, cardamom pods, a cinnamon stick, salt, ice-cold water, milk, and sugar. Each ingredient plays a vital role in creating this delightful drink. Start by preparing the kiwa, or tea base. In a pot, combine 6 tablespoons of Kashmiri tea leaves, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Add 8 cups of cold water and bring it to a boil. Simmer the mixture for about an hour until the liquid is halved. This crucial step develops the deep red color of the kiwa. Once simmered, turn off the heat and strain the tea leaves. To achieve the signature pink color, pour in ice-cold water and aerate the tea by ladling it from a height for 5 to 7 minutes. This aeration process is essential for the transformation. Next, prepare the final mixture. For each cup, take 1/3 cup of kiwa and bring it to a boil. Add 2/3 cup of milk and a splash of water. Optionally, include an extra cardamom pod for enhanced flavor. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes and serve hot, garnished with crushed pistachios and almonds. Kashmiri Chai is not just delicious, it also offers health benefits. Rich in antioxidants, it helps protect the body from free radicals. The cardamom aids digestion, while the soothing preparation process promotes relaxation. Additionally, this chai holds cultural significance, often enjoyed during gatherings and special occasions. Enjoy making and sipping this delightful beverage, and experience the warmth of Kashmiri Chai.